Good morning everyone. My name is Nitin and today we are going to study the chapter statistics and how to find the median of a class. So let us find the median of a class or a data with the help of an example. So let us suppose that a class interval is given to us, that is 65 to 85, 85 to 105, 105 to 125, 125 to 145, 145 to 165, 165 to 185, and 185 to 205. And the subsequent frequency of this class interval is being given as 4, 5, 13, 20, 14, 8, and 4. Since we are going to find the median of this data, in order to do so, we should know what is cumulative frequency, that is CF. Cumulative frequency is the step-to-step sum of the frequency interval. That is, you have to write the first frequency as it is and then add the cumulative frequency with the next frequency. That is, what is 4 plus 5, that is 9. What is 9 plus 13? Add this. What is 9 plus 13? That is 22. Add 22 plus 20, it will be 42. Add 42 plus 14, you will get 56. Add 56 plus 8, you will get 64. And add 64 plus 4, you get 68. Always remember that your summation of Fi, that is equal to n, will always be equal to this value, that is 68. You can calculate this by adding all the frequency values with it. Now what you have to do? Find the biggest value in the frequency table and you will get that 20 is the biggest frequency value in this table. Yes or no? And we know that we write this as F1. Now let us apply the formula of median here. The formula of median is L plus n by 2 minus Cf divided by F into H. You don't have to write F1 here, you just have to write F here. The biggest frequency in the frequency table is known as F. What is cumulative frequency? Look, we have highlighted the biggest frequency here and the L will be the lowest value of the class interval of the biggest frequency table, that is 125. We already know how to find H, that is subtract the upper class with lower class and you will get 20 as in your H. Now what is CF? We have find L, F, H, n by 2. It is n, so n by 2 will be 68 divided by 2, that is 34. Now we have to know what is cumulative frequency. See, this is the highlight bar that we have done. The upper value of this is known as cumulative frequency. This will be our cumulative frequency. So after putting the value of all these in the median, you will get the answer of the median, that is L. L we have found is 125 plus n is our 68. 68 divided by 2 minus cumulative frequency, we have 22 divided by F. What is F of our 20? Multiply by H. H is also 20. 20 should be cut out and you will get 125 plus 68 divided by 2 is 34 minus 22. 125 plus 34 minus 22 is 12 and you will get the answer 137 as your median. Any doubt? Now let us solve another example based on this. But if class interval is given to us in a special way, that is below 20, below 25, below 30, below 35, below 40, below 45, below 50, below 55, and below 60. Firstly, we have to convert this class interval into data form. How we are going to do so? Firstly, take the two value of class interval, that is 20 and 25. What is the difference between this value? That is 5. So subtract 5 from each value, you will get the lower class value, and this will be our upper class value. So how we are going to write below 20? We are going to write it as 15 to 20, it as 20 to 25. These two values should be same. 25 to 30, 30 to 35, 35 to 40, 40 to 45, 45 to 50, 50 to 55, and 55 to 60. Now the subsequent frequency given to us of class intervals are as 2, 6, 24, 45, 78, 89, 92, 98, and 100. Now, when you see this thing, this interval, look at this interval. The values are just increasing constantly and it are not going up and down. You have seen in the previous table that the frequency always goes up and down. So whenever this value increases, remember that you are not given frequency, you have given the cumulative frequency of an table. How we are going to find the frequency? Then always remember, you are going to find the frequency from this table. That write the first value as it is, that is 2. Then subtract 6 from 2, you will get 4. 24 from 6, you will get 18. 45, subtract 24 from 45, you will get 21. Subtract 45 from 78, you will get 33. Subtract 78 from 89, you will get 11. Subtract 89 from 92, you will get 3. And subtract 92 from 98, you will get 6. And at last, you will get 2. Any doubt? Now, we have made a table for ourselves. Now, what we are going to look at, the highest value possible of f. The highest value possible of f is 33. So highlight it. This is going to be our L. L is going to be 35 here. And our H is going to be upper value minus lower value, that is going to be 5 here. Now this f from frequency table, we are going to find the biggest value as our f. And in cumulative frequency, the highlighted bar, the value above the highlighted bar is going to be our cumulative frequency. Any doubt? Now we are going to find the median. Look here, I already told you the last value of cumulative frequency is our n. So n is 100 here. So let us apply the formula, that is L plus by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by f into h. L of our is 35 plus n by 2, that is 100 by 2 minus cumulative frequency that we have found is 45. The f that we have found is 33. Multiply, what is the value of h we have found? 5. 35 plus 100 divided by 2 is 50 minus 45. They both are still in bracket and we have to solve this. Okay, 35 plus 50 minus 45 is 5 divided by 33. Multiply by 5. 35 plus 5 into 5 is 25 divided by 33 equal to 35 plus 25 divided by 33 is approximately 0.76, and you will get the answer 35.76 as your median. Any doubt? Please take the screenshot of this. Now let us solve one more example based on this. That is, if the class interval given to us is as 1 to 4, 4 to 7, 7 to 10, 10 to 13, and 13 to 16, and 16 to 19. And we have given another data, that is 6, 36, 76, 92, 96, and 100. Now tell me, it is CF or FI. What is given? Whose interval is given to us? Cumulative frequency is interval or frequency is interval? So your answer is right. The cumulative frequency interval is given to us. Why? Because the values are increasing as we go deep down the interval. Now we have to find the values of frequency here. How we are going to find this? That is, subtract the next value, write the first value as it is, and then subtract these two values, you will get the answer. Then these two values, you will get the answer. Then these two values, you will get the answer. Then these two values, and then these two values. 36 minus 6 is 30. 76 minus 36 is 40. 92 minus 76 will be 2, 12. And 96 minus 92 is 4. And 100 minus 96 will also be 4. Any doubt? Now let us look here. What is the biggest value of frequency? That is 40. Highlight it. This is going to be our F. Now from the highlighted bar, the value above it is going to be our cumulative frequency. The lowest value of this interval is going to be our L, that is L is going to be 7, and to find H you have to subtract the upper value from the lower value, that is your H is going to be 3. Now we have to find the median of this class. Median is equal to, what is the value of median? L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by frequency multiplied by H. What is L here? L here is 7 plus n by 2. What is n by 2? N here is 100 because the last value of the cumulative frequency is always our n. Or you can find n here by summation of Fi, and you will get by adding this value as 102. So it will be 100 divided by 2 minus cumulative frequency. What is cumulative frequency here? That is 36. divided by what is the frequency here? Frequency here is 40. What is the height here? Height here is 3. So our answer will be 7 plus 50 minus 36 divided by 40 into 3. You will get 7 plus subtraction of this will be 14 by 40 into 3. 7 plus multiply this, you will get 42 divided by 40. 7 plus, and the answer will be 1.05. So your answer will be 8.05 as your median. Any doubt? Now let us move forward towards the next question, and this question is quite very important and has 100% chance of coming in the final exam. What is question? That you have given the variable in the frequency. So let us see what is it. What's the question here? You have given the class interval as 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30, 30 to 40, 40 to 50, 50 to 60. Yes. And the frequency is given to you in the form of variables also, that is 5x, 20, 15, y, and last is 5, and the sum of the frequency is given to you as 60, that is n is given to you as 60, or you can also write n is equal to summation of fi given to you as 60 in the table. Also, the questioner has given you the median of this data as 28.5, and you have to find the value of x and y here. Firstly, what we are going to do? We are going to find the cumulative frequency here. How we are going to find the cumulative frequency here? That is CF. Just add the things. Firstly 5, then 5 plus x will be 5 plus x, then 5 plus x plus 20 will be 25 plus x, and 25 plus x plus 15 will be 40 plus x. 40 plus x plus y will be 40 plus x plus y, and 45 plus x plus y. This is going to be our cumulative frequency. What we have done, we have just added the things, that is 5, write the first value as it is, then add the value 5 plus x, you will get 5 plus x, then add this value with the next value, that you will get 5 plus 20, you will get 25 plus x, and 25 plus 15 you will get 40 plus x, 40 plus x with y you get 40 plus x plus y, and 40 plus x plus y you will get plus 5, you will get 45 plus x plus y. I already told you that this value is always going to be equal to this value. So we got the first equation here, that is 45 plus x plus y is equal to 60. From here you can take this 45 from left hand side and subtract this value from the right hand side. You will get x plus y is equal to 15. Any doubt? Now let us move forward. What is the biggest value in the frequency table? And you will see 20. So mark 20. Yes, this is the biggest. Find L from here. You will get L is equal to 20 because it is the lower best value in the class interval. You will get H equal to 30 minus 20, that is upper value minus lower value. You will get H as 10. Now moving forward to next, we have to find the class frequency. What will be the class frequency here? That is this value. This value is going to be our class frequency. Any doubt? And the value of f here is going to be this, because this is the biggest value in the frequency table. Now let us find the value. Write the formula of median here, that is L plus n by 2 minus cumulative frequency divided by frequency multiplied by h is equal to 28.5 given to us. Now what is the value of L? The value of L given to us is 20 plus value of n given to us is 60. 60 divided by 2 minus cumulative frequency. What is the cumulative frequency given to us? It is given 5 plus x. We have found it as 5 plus x. 5 plus x, bracket off. The value of f we have found is 20. Multiply the value of h is 10 here, equal to 28.5. Which implies this 20 is going to be subtracted from the right hand side, and you will get 28.5 minus 20. Here you will left with 16 divided by 2 is 30 minus 5. Take this subtraction into the bracket, minus 5 and my plus minus is minus x divided by 20 into 10. Cut this 0 and 0. 30 minus 5 is 25 minus x divided by 2 equal to 28.5 minus 20 will be 8.5. Here you will get 25 minus x. This 2 is going to be multiplied on the right hand side. You will get 25 minus x, and this is going to be equal to 70. And take x on that side and 17 on this side. So you will get the value of x as 8. Any doubt? Now put the value of x here, that is 8. You will get the value of y. How we are going to find this? Since we have given x plus y is equal to 15, we have found the value of x, that is 8 plus y is equal to 15. So this 8 is going to be subtracted from the right hand side, and you will get the value of y as 7. Any doubt?